Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello workflows with Butler automation, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Trello board. Select the Automate button located at the top of your board. From the drop-down menu, choose Butler. In the Butler menu, you'll see options for various types of automation such as rules, calendar commands, and card buttons. To start creating a new automation, click on Rules. Next, click on Create Rule. Begin by setting a trigger for your rule. Choose a trigger type from the available options. This could be when a card is moved, a checklist is completed, or a due date is reached. Once you have selected your trigger, you will need to define what action should occur as a result. Click on Add Action to select from the predefined actions available. You can create multiple actions that will execute when the trigger occurs. After defining your actions, give your rule a meaningful name for easy identification later. Review your rule to ensure everything is set up correctly. Then click Save to finalize your new Butler rule. To create a calendar command, return to the Butler menu and select Calendar Commands. Click on Create Command to start setting up your calendar automation. Choose the date and specify the actions you want to automate for that date. Review your calendar command carefully before saving it. Next, go back to the Butler menu and select Card Buttons to create a button for individual cards. Click on Create Button to set up your card-specific automation. Define the actions that should occur when the button is clicked. Once set, give your button a clear name that represents its function. Save your card button and test it on a sample card to ensure it works correctly. You can also create board buttons in a similar way from the Butler menu if you want actions that affect the entire board. Go back to the main Butler interface and select Board Buttons. Click on Create Button and choose the actions you want to automate board-wide. Give your board button a descriptive name to make it easy to find. After saving, test the board button to confirm it performs as intended. To ensure smooth functionality, regularly review and update your Butler automations as your workflow evolves. Finally, consider sharing your automation setup with team members to enhance collaboration and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.